What's up, guys? We're actually here at the Vintage Grand Prix, ending up the rally. We're gonna have a big party tonight, but before that, we're gonna kind of have a little opening ceremony for the Vintage Grand Prix. There's a bunch of cars from the local area, as well as all the Ace Spade cars. So let's see what's going on here and see if we can get some good footage. So thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, so right here we are with a solid collection of Ford GTs. We got an original race car with the brand new one. This is actually a Ace Spade Rallier, and they've been hauling ass with us. It's been great. However, it is fantastic to see some of these originals and actually how they've been raced and continue to be raced. I mean, check this out. This is certainly a show race car. Paints are phenomenal. Awesome tire setup. And frankly, a little too expensive for my taste. However, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I may have found my new favorite Porsche from this event. I mean, as far as old Porsche, but check this out. 1986 wide body, or is it full-on turbo? Oh, it's full-on turbo, not just the turbo look.
I want this one. This is my favorite.
Yeah, so get this. I was looking at one of these cars back in like 2012 when I was getting out of high school for about $35,000 as a project car, and now they're worth well beyond that, well into the 130, 140, and no way am I spending that on a vintage car. So gorgeous, but never gonna happen.